Welcome to the channel. How to get rid of wanted status in Palworld. The wanted status indicates that you have committed actions deemed illegal within the game world. When this status is active, the Palpagos Islands Defense Force, that is PIDF, will pursue and attempt to apprehend or eliminate you. Attacking certain NPCs or pals, trespassing, theft or destruction, acquiring banned items in the Palworld, and such actions can get you wanted status. Let's get wanted status. Let's go to this island. There. You see criminal activity underway. So this is the area that we shouldn't visit in the game, but we are anyway. Let's hit these guys. See? This is wanted status. And now it will remain there. And even when I'll be in the water, this PIDF infantry will chase me. To remove this status, use jet dragon and go straight up. And see, now the wanted status is gone by just going far from that location. So this is how you can remove wanted status. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.